Microsoft Intune is a robust cloud-based solution for enterprise mobility management (EMM) that is part of Microsoft Endpoint Manager. It allows businesses to manage applications, data, and security across devices, ensuring they are productive and secure. This guide covers Intune's capabilities, focusing on device enrollment and security compliance to help organizations optimize device management. Device enrollment refers to registering devices with Intune for remote management. This process ensures that devices are compliant with security policies and enables IT to distribute apps and manage configurations. Intune supports a variety of devices, providing flexibility for diverse environments. Supports Windows 10 and 11, and works seamlessly with Windows Autopilot for automatic setup. Supports macOS 10.12 and later, using Apple Automated Device Enrollment, AID, or manual processes. Compatible with iOS 10 or later, using Apple Configurator, AID, or BYOD setups. Supports Android 5.0 and newer, offering Android Enterprise Work Profile, fully managed, and COAP options. Automatic enrollment is ideal for corporate devices, allowing a hands-free setup with Azure Active Directory. BYOD enrollment allows employees to use personal devices while keeping corporate data secure and separate. AID simplifies the setup of large Apple device deployments by integrating with Apple Business Manager. Device configuration profiles control settings like Wi-Fi, VPN, email, and security requirements. Compliance policies ensure that only devices meeting security standards can access corporate data. Enhance security by enabling multi-factor authentication and conditional access policies. Intune secures devices through Mobile Device Management (MDM) and Mobile Application Management (MAM). Organizations like Contoso Enterprises use Intune to streamline device management and enhance security. Common issues like MDM authority not being set or invalid profiles can disrupt enrollment.